Intel working together again? That might sound impossible in 2026, but according to new reports, Intel has already started testing chips for future Apple devices, and this could become one of Apple's biggest supply chain shifts in years. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Intel is now producing test chips for lower-end and older generation iPhones, iPads, and Macs using its new 18AP manufacturing process. Right now, the project is still in small-scale testing, but if things go well, larger production could begin in 2027. And this isn't just any tiny experiment. Reports say Apple's testing multiple product lines at once to see if Intel could eventually become a full-scale chip supplier. For years, Apple's relied heavily on TSMC, the Taiwan-based company that manufactures almost all Apple Silicon chips. But there is a growing problem. TSMC is increasingly focusing on its most advanced production on the booming AI industry. And that can make it harder for Apple to secure enough chip supply in the future, so Apple appears to be exploring backup options, and Intel wants in. There's also a political angle here. The U.S. government and the Trump administration have reportedly been encouraging Apple to support domestic chip manufacturing. And in 2025, the U.S. government even took a stake in Intel itself. Still, analysts say TSMC will likely continue producing over 90% of Apple's chips, even if this Intel partnership succeeds. So no, Apple isn't abandoning TSMC anytime soon. For the first time in years, Intel may finally have a real chance to help power future iPhones and Macs. Subscribe to Gad Insider for more Apple leaks, chip industry updates, and fast tech news every day.